Paul D'Oliveira, attorney from the law offices of D'Oliveira and Associates. Car accidents in Rhode Island. The first thing we need to find out if you've been injured in a car accident and you call us or you come in is liability. Was it the other driver's fault, in whole or in part? Now, if you were rear-ended, it's probably 99 to 100% their fault. That's pretty easy to show. Most likely it's 100 if you've been rear-ended. Although if you had a tail light out, or both your tail lights were out, then they may be able to argue you were partially at fault. So liability is big, assuming that the other driver's at fault. The next thing is you can collect for a bunch of different things. One, a rental car. This is from the other driver's insurance company, by the way. Two, medical bills, lost income, and pain and suffering. Pain and suffering is determined by a lot of different factors. In fact, you should probably look at another video, What's My Injury Case Worth, to look into if you have questions on how we evaluate, or how the insurance companies rather evaluate pain and suffering. We don't charge any fees until we obtain a settlement for you. A third is generally what we charge. That's pretty standard in the industry. What can we do for you if we're your lawyers, if you've been injured in a car accident in the state of Rhode Island? The first and foremost important thing that we're going to do for you is we're going to monitor your medical treatment. We're going to make sure that your doctors are treating you properly. Let's say you've been rear-ended in a car accident. You have neck pain. Several weeks goes by and now you've got shooting pain down your arm. Or if you've had a back injury, you've got leg pain, or they call that sciatica. Your doctor should be ordering an MRI to see if there's some type of a disc problem. If they don't do that, and usually they do, but sometimes they're human, they don't. We're going to make sure that you get the proper medical treatment. Reviewing medical records. A lot of times doctors don't always put in the pain and suffering that you're having. We're going to make sure they do that and review your medical records with you. We're going to call you once a month and go through things with you, or you can come in and meet with us. That's even better. There's a lot of other things we can do to help gather evidence to how the injury has affected you. Maybe you haven't been able to work out at the gym, or your grades, if you're a student, have gone down. There's a lot of different factors that come into play when we're determining the value of your case. In Rhode Island, a person has to have a minimum of $25,000 coverage per person, or $50,000 what they call aggregate, which is for everybody who's injured in an accident if they're at fault. So we look at all the policies involved, how much coverage the driver had, and how much underinsurance you have either on your car or any cars in your household. We've had some very big settlements for car accident cases over the last 24 plus years. If you look at our largest settlement page, you'll see that. We've got a lot of experience handling personal injury, especially automobile accident cases. So if you're thinking about hiring us, feel free to give us a call, toll free. Call us up or come on in for a free consultation, or fill out a contact form online if you prefer. We'd be happy to discuss your case with you. Thank you.